Welcome back to Spent2Much Diecast. What's going on, crew? Today we have the Johnny Lightning Import Heat Honda CRX. There are 6 of them that I know of this series, minus the White Lightnings, which I did not get any, and they're too expensive to buy. So these are all the base ones. So we have 2 different versions here. We have the ones that were released in stores like Walmart, Target, stuff like that. We got release 1 and the second color of release 1. And then all the ones back there are the Miho Exclusives. So in order to get those, you have to buy them from a diecast shop that buys those exclusives and then resells them. So you won't find any of those in Targets, Walmarts, anything like that. So we got the 4 Miho exclusives and then the 2 that came out in stores. So I will go ahead and get these things opened, and then we'll take a closer look at them. Alrighty guys, and we are back. Alright, so we got them all open. Let's take a look at them one by one. I will show you boxes as well. Alright, so the first one is going to be the, again, Johnny Lightning Import Heat. These are one of 2,500, and it's showing a brilliant pearl white. And then this says release 1, 5. So it must be Series 5 maybe. Release 1, 1990 Honda CRX. And then there is your barcode on the back. And then these were ones, like I said, you can find in the stores. They came with all different types. Challenger, Ambulance, Cobra, panel, Ford panel delivery, CRX, and then the Chevy. And it says these are from 2018 Street Freaks is where it's saying it's from. Release 1. Alright. Got that out of the way. Alright, so that's the white one. So it is a die-cast body and a metal base. So on this one says Brilliant Pearl White. It's got the Honda logo up in the front. It's got silver for the headlights and amber for the corner lights and the front lights. Going to the side, got nice white rims with plastic tires, and then the pearl white and the black stripe for the graphics. And it looks like we got a silver or gray interior on this one. And going to the back, we got the Honda logo, CRX logo. It does say something there. Well, let me take a look. Oh, that says Honda. So up in the corner there says Honda. Then you got the paint for the taillights. See if I can adjust my light a little bit better. There we go. Maybe that'll show up a little better. There we go. Alright, and they all come with a card. So this one says 1990 Honda CRX number 5, Johnny Lightning Import Heat. And there is the checklist you can get from this wave. Street Freaks 2018 Release 1. Alright, second one. I'll show the box, but I won't go into too much detail. One of 2,500. This one is saying Rose and Shine Red Pearl. Again, release 1. And there is the barcode, and I think those are the item numbers down there. Alright. This is a nice darker red to it. There is your Honda logo. Same type of paint as the last one for the headlights. Again, the red body with black stripe. There are some silver wheels and plastic wheels, tires. Again, this one has a silver to gray, looks more gray of an interior. Go into the back. There's your Honda logo, Honda on the left side there, CRX. And there is your other one side. And there's your top. Nice. And there is the card for this one. 1990 Honda CRX, number 5. Import heat. And there is your checklist. And I believe out of all of these, this red one was the hardest one for me to find. I don't know why. I tried asking people. They just said that, I don't know if they made more. I mean, it's the same quantity, 2,500, but I do not know why that one was the hardest. But that red one was the hardest one for me to find. So hopefully you guys already have this set. If not, I know they are up on eBay, stuff like that. So, alright, let's take a look at the next one. Now these are going to be a little bit different. These are the Miho Exclusives. Like I said, the only way you can buy these is on eBay, online, or through your local diecast shop if they sell them. It's out of 3,600. Custom Tahitian Green is going to be the color. And these are a little different than the other ones. They actually say Miho Exclusive, Special Edition. There is the vehicle. And then the back doesn't have a checklist because they're exclusives, but there is your barcode and number. Alright, let's take a look at this one. Ooh, I like this. It's almost like a I don't know how it, almost like a teal, I would say. Hopefully the color comes up alright on the camera, because it looks a little more blue than it really is. But it's got a nice pearl. Look at all that pearl in there. It's a nice pearl paint job. So there's the Honda logo on the front. Then the lights this time are white and amber. The bottom lights are amber. And then it's got the same color with the black stripe. And it looks like almost steely wheels. And the nice thing about the Miho Exclusives, it's rubber tires instead of just the plastic. See, these are the rubber ones, and those are just the plastic. So that is the difference between the exclusive. And this one is showing that same gray interior. But I mean, it's pretty detailed. Look, you can see the seat belts for the back, all that. These are nice little cars. And of course, these are scale 1/64th, so they're like Hot Wheels. There's the back, Honda, CRX, the Honda logo there, your paint for the taillights, and then there is the other side. Very nice. And these roll really nice as well. Oh, crash. Alright, so now same card, 1990 CRX, Miho Exclusive it says, Johnny Lightning Import Heat, and on the back, Miho Exclusive. Alright, take a look at the next one. That is going to be, where is my box? Here it is. One of 3,600 again, and this one is the Custom Gloss Gray. And there is your number. Alright, so this one is showing a carbon fiber hood to it with the Honda logo, the same white and amber for the headlights. There is your primer gray, it says. It's got a little bit of a blue tint to it. Again, your plastic wheels with rubber tires. And these say Bridgestone, I think. Yep. So there is that one. Everything the same on the back. Honda CRX, same paint job. So it looks like all the schemes are the same, just the different colors. No graphics on them or nothing. There is your card. And if you guys like Hondas or like these Johnny Lightning Street Freaks, I do have another video of me opening the Honda hatchbacks, the Civic hatchbacks. Alright, next one up. Now this one's a little different. This one is one of 2,400. Same Miho Exclusive. This one is saying custom gloss white. Difference is this is a 91 CRX. All the rest were 1990s. And there is your code. Barcode and item number. I don't believe the body's changed that much. It might just be the motor in these. I'm not 100% sure. But there we go. Going with the carbon fiber look again. There's your Honda logo. It's got silver and amber for the headlights. That's got a black lip. Alright, so a little bit different. This one's got the same like steely type of wheels with rubber tires because it is the Miho Exclusive, but we got a little bit different deco going on. So it's got a little bit of paint for the corner light, and then it does say DOHC VTEC. So that's going to be double overhead cam with VTEC. And there's the back. Honda CRX. And same graphic on this side. Oh, and I forgot to show you, this one inside is showing a black interior. So first time with the black interior. So here it is, 91 CRX. See there, it says, there's a graphic too. We'll focus. Double overhead cam VTEC. Nice. Alright, last one. Last but not least. So the 91s are one of 2,400. And this one is saying custom gloss black. And there is your item number. Alrighty. Here's the black one. Oh, that is cool. So they give you a ghost Japanese rising sun flag as the hood. Oh, that is neat. Nothing else had that except for this one. Oh, that's awesome. That is a wonderful graphic on there. And I like how it's the ghost look. Like they don't do it in red or white or anything. They do it in a matte black over the gloss black. That is cool. Alright, there's your Honda logo, your silver and amber for the paint for the headlights. There is your corner marker light. And this one does not say that double overhead cam. Probably just because it's black and you won't be able to see it. They should have done it in that same ghost look though. There you go, gold wheels with the rubber tires. And this one's showing a gold interior. Nice. Alright, there's the back. Oop. There is the other side. Very cool. Take a look at the card. Oh, you can even see it on the card there. Oh, that's nice. But there you go. Alright, guys. There are the Johnny Lightning Import Heat 99 and 91 Honda CRXs. And some of them are the Miho Exclusives. So if you guys haven't already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Join the Spent2Much Diecast Crew. Also hit that bell notification. That way you guys get notified every time I put up a new video. And again, just want to give a shout out and a thanks to everybody who watches, likes, shares, subscribes to this channel. It lets me get more diecast cars to show you guys. And if you guys are into Hondas, into Johnny Lightning, Import Heat, like I said, I do have the video of me doing the Honda Civic hatchback. I'll leave that in the end screen if you guys want to click on that and check that one out. But until then, thanks for watching this one, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching another video from Spent2Much Diecast. If you will, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, check out our Facebook page where there are more pictures and information on the vehicle that you have just seen. And also, on the right here, you'll see some more videos from our channel. Thanks again, everybody, and have a great day.